Hey guys, it's Jenny from Southern Savers. We're gonna head into CVS Pharmacy and I'm gonna show you the deals this week that I would grab. I've got my list together. So all of these deals that I'm mentioning, you'll find the coupons for them. You can make your shopping list for them at southernsavers.com/CVS. Believe me, it is a much more organized way to go in terms of gathering your deals and having everything ready for you when you get to the store. This week, completely free Schick razors, completely free Colgate toothpaste, almost free Almay makeup, depends on the prices in your store, and some really cheap deals on paper goods and diapers. So let's go in and let's check out all the deals.
This week when you buy Sally Hansen products, you get $6 in extra care bucks when you buy $12 worth. So there's a few things that you can do here. We've got coupons from past Sunday papers, so pair those in. The thing that I would probably grab is Sally Hansen Hard as Nails is $3.99. So grab 3 of these, use 3 $1 off coupons. After the coupons and the rewards, you're going to end up paying 99 cents a bottle. You could also go for colors if you want, with the Insta-Dry line being $5.49 a piece, or any of the others, but we do have coupons. They're not going to come out quite as cheap. So Hard as Nails, 99 cents is the best option, but any of these that you want to pair in coupons with, look for ones that are going to come close to $12. Remember to get the reward in CVS. I don't have to buy exactly 12. So if you come out to like $11.95, you'll still get the $6 reward. When you grab $20 worth of Almay, you're going to get $8 back. It's not actually the deal. The deal is when you buy 10, you're going to get 4, but the deal has a limit of 6. So I want you to think big here. A lot of us have a CVS store coupon for $6 off of a $20 Almay purchase. So do this deal twice. Grab $20 worth of Almay. You're going to get $8 back in rewards, plus throw in coupons. We've got coupons from the April 7th papers. So we've got $3 off face, you have $2 off eye, $2 off lip. You can make your own deals here. If you were to grab 2 face items that equaled right at 20 bucks, minus 6 from the store, minus 6 from the manufacturer, you're going to end up owing $8, and you're going to get $8 back in rewards. So possibly free. It's going to depend on the prices in your store. The prices in my store really come out to be a little bit of a better deal to grab 1 face product and a lip product. They're going to come out to 50 cents a piece, or option B would be to grab 3 eye products at $7.29 a piece. That's going to come out to basically $21.90 for all 3 of them, but you can use 3 $2 off eye products, and in the end you're going to get each of them for like 60 cents a piece. So it just depends on which one you want to grab, but it's super cheap. Almay Cosmetics, however you look at it, possibly free depending on your store. So again, you want to aim to be in that $20 ballpark. Use your face coupons if you can, but definitely bring your lip. These are the Almay lip products, and bring your eye coupons to get some other good deals on the cheaper products in the Almay line. Another deal that's going to take maybe a calculator to figure out what to grab is Aveeno. We got a ton of Aveeno coupons this weekend that you can print. They're also available in the CVS app, so you can grab 1 with a printable coupon and 1 with the app coupon if you want to get the same items. Each of these Aveeno coupons, the printables, is a limit of 1 though. So the best deal for this, because you need to buy $30 worth, is going to mix and match. Grab different Aveeno items so that you can use a coupon on each one of them. So one option is to grab some lotion, a face wash, and a bottle of sunscreen. Use a coupon on each one of those. You're going to come out getting every single product 50% off or more. If you wanted to just go sunscreen, sunscreen's a favorite for me in the Aveeno family. You could grab just 2 sunscreens and use a paper coupon for 1, use a digital coupon for 1, and then grab a lotion. Option C here is that with CVS on these big purchases, when I need to buy $30 worth to get a $10 reward, I do not have to buy that in the same purchase. So you can buy 1, the computer will track you, you can buy a second one. So if you really did want to get 1 thing and a lot of it, you could. Just multiple purchases, and use that coupon again. The limit on the coupon is 1 coupon per person or per customer. So they may make you come back a different day or a different store, but that is one way to be inside the wording of the coupon, to just do this in multiple purchases and you would be fine. So you're going to track as soon as you purchase the $30 requirement, the reward will print. So you're not going to miss out on the reward. You're just going to do it over time. That's if you have one product that you positively want out of all the Aveeno line. There's a lot to choose from here though, and a lot of coupons to use. For another deal idea on the paper goods deal / diapers deal, I would grab 2 packs of Huggies paper towels. They're $5.49 this week. And so 2 of those, use printable coupons for 55 cents off. I would grab 1 OxyClean detergent, again $3.99, and then 1 Scott paper towels for $7.99. After all the coupons on these, you're going to end up getting them for $3.34 a piece. And with the Scott deal, I have all of this mapped out in the scenario ideas at the bottom of the CVS list on Southern Savers. So I will link directly to that below the video as well, but you can scroll down and see all the coupons needed for that deal idea. You're going to end up paying $3.34 a piece for each item after the coupons, which is a pretty sweet price for paper towels and toilet paper. So go ahead and grab that one if you don't need the diapers. Sometimes when we look at those deals and we think, oh, it's just $5 back when you buy 20, it doesn't sound good. But once you add in the coupons, it is a good price. It's much better than you could get in any grocery store right now, better than you can get in Walmart. So again, that deal was buy 2 paper towels, 1 toilet paper, and 1 container of detergent. Use coupons on everything. Also check your CVS account to see if you have a $2 off $10 purchase in Kimberly-Clark paper goods, because that's what these are, and you can use that too. So I've got a couple of different options for you for free toothpaste, depending on the coupons that you have in your CVS account. I have a coupon for $2 off any 2 Crest toothpaste or any other toothpaste, so we're going to use it on Colgate. I also have a $4 off 15 purchase in Colgate toothpaste. You could put those together if you wanted, or you could just use one or the other. There are 2 different Colgate deals this week that are going to make for free toothpaste just with the 2 off 2 if you have it. But you could go big and use the other one. It's also going to make them free. So the first deal is grab $10 worth of Colgate Total singles and get $5 back in rewards. We have those $2 off coupons, and these work for that $2 off coupon. So grab 2 of them, use 2 $2 off coupons. Depending on the price in your store, they're going to come out to a whopping like 2 cents a piece after the store coupons and the $2 off coupons. So that's option 1. Option 2 is grabbing Colgate Max Fresh. Max Fresh is on sale this week for $2.99, and you get back a $2 reward when you buy 1 of them. This is a limit of 2 as well. Plus, we have 50-cent coupons here, so you can use a 50-cent coupon if you want. You're going to pay 49 cents after the coupon and the rewards, but you could still use that store coupon as well. So just to throw that one in as option B, or grab all of them and use that bigger off a total purchase Colgate coupon if you have that in your account. OxyClean is also part of the big deal with diapers and paper towels. This is the little bottle, the little 40-ounce bottle. It's on sale this week for $3.99, and we've got $1 off printable coupons. So it's $2.99 just with a coupon, but go ahead and throw in other items, and it's going to make an even better deal with that $5 reward back. Everyone's always asking me what are the diaper deals this week, so you can get a good deal on Huggies diapers this week at CVS. They're part of a larger deal, buy 20 and get 5. And it includes paper goods and household items as well, but Huggies is part of it. So what I would recommend here, Huggies is on sale, buy 1, get 1 half off. Grab 2 packs of Huggies diapers, and then grab something else to complete the $20 worth. Most Huggies in your store are going to be $11.29 full price, so half price on the second one being like $5.65. So you're really close to your 20 already. One option would be to grab 2 packs of Kleenex wet wipes, and that's going to help you to hit the $20 threshold. Use $2 off coupons on Huggies use coupons for those Kleenex wet wipes. We even have a CVS store coupon, check your account, for $3 off $15 worth of diapers. If you have the store coupon, you're going to get 2 packs of Huggies diapers and 2 packs of wipes. You're going to pay $7.98 for all of it. That's basically $3.99 a pack. If you don't have the store coupon, you're going to pay $10.98 for everything. It's still a great price. So either way, it's a good week to grab Huggies diapers, 2 packs, and then something else, just a little something else to hit you to that $20 threshold. Other things that are part of this are Scott paper towels, toilet paper, the Kleenex wet wipes, OxyClean detergent if you wanted to throw that in. But there's your diaper deal. Definitely, if you have the store coupon for diapers. And a heads up, guys, if you don't have the store coupon for diapers, the more diapers you buy in CVS, the more you will get that coupon. So you may still want to grab the deal if you need it, because odds are you'll start to get those store coupons in just a few more weeks after you start buying the weekly diaper deals that they're running. One deal that has everyone excited this week is free Schick razors. Buy 2 Schick razors and you're going to get a $10 reward back. And guys, we've got $4 off coupons. Coupons that were printable. The printable's now gone, but there is still a CVS digital that you can load, and there's one from the Sunday papers. So use your coupons. This is the one you really want to look for, the Schick Extreme 5 Pivot Ball or the Schick Silk 5 or 3. They're $8.99. This store is already out of the Silk 3, but go for the Schick Extreme Pivot Ball if that's the case. $8.99. Use 2 of those $4 off coupons. Your total due is going to be like $9.98 for both of them, and you're going to get back a $10 reward. So completely free. Another option, if your store is out of the really, really cheap ones, consider this. If you have a CVS store coupon for $5 off $20 worth of shave products, grab a cheap one if you could, or grab 2 that are maybe $11.99. Use still 2 of those $4 off coupons and the $5 coupon. In the end, that's $13 worth of coupons. You're still going to get back the $10 reward. They're still going to be basically free as well. So don't get discouraged if you walk in and they're out of the $8.99. Just look in your CVS account and see if you have a coupon off of shave products or even Schick products. Makes it even better. But they're still going to be basically free for you if you do have that store coupon and they're out of the cheap ones. Now, if they have the cheap ones, you don't even need the store coupon. You're going to have them free with just the $4 off coupon. So grab those coupons, load the digital, you're good to go. Hopefully that helps you guys to see everything all put together, to see the sale tags. I know for some folks, they really, really said that helped to just see what they look like on the shelf. So there you go. All the deals this week that I would grab in CVS. Look at your CVS store coupons before you go. That is going to make a big difference as to the deals that you want to get. There are a couple of other deals. If you're Tide loyal, look for a deal on Tide. It's also in the CVS matchups this week. There's even an interesting deal if you want a 23andMe DNA kit this week. You can get rewards back on that. Also, check your stores for Easter clearance. The store that I was just in didn't have a lot, but they are at 50%. So every store you go in this week, that needs to be on your list to just check and see what they have left. So hopefully you can get some of these deals in your CVS. If you've got any questions, feel free to leave a comment or to send me a message or an email, and I'll be glad to try to help. Thanks for watching.